Did you know your body has an incredible ability to heal itself? Yes, that's right. Your body is equipped with a remarkable system that works tirelessly to keep you healthy and repair any damage. It's like having a hidden superpower that you might not even be aware of. It's like you have your very own superhero living inside you. This superhero is always on the lookout, ready to spring into action whenever you need it. Whether it's a small cut or a more serious injury, your body's healing mechanisms are always at work. Hi there. Today, we're diving into the magical world of natural healing. Imagine stepping into a mystical forest where every tree and plant has a unique healing property. That's what your body is like, a magical world full of wonders. Ever wondered how a cut heals or how your body fights off that nasty cold? It's a fascinating process that involves a series of well-coordinated steps. Your body is like a well-oiled machine, always ready to tackle any challenge. Well, it's all about your body's amazing built-in repair system. This system is made up of various cells and tissues that work together to heal injuries and fight off infections. It's a complex and efficient process that happens without you even realizing it. Alright, picture this. You're rushing to catch the bus and bam, you trip and fall. It happens to the best of us. But what happens next is truly amazing. You trip and scrape your knee. Ouch, right? But don't worry, your body knows exactly what to do. It immediately starts the healing process to get you back on your feet. But before you know it, your body's on the job, kicking off a series of events to patch you right up. It's like a well-coordinated team of workers, each with a specific role to play in the healing process. Think of it like a well-rehearsed dance. First up, inflammation. This is your body's way of signaling that there's an injury that needs attention. It's like the opening act of a grand performance. Your body sends a bunch of tiny soldiers, white blood cells, to the injury site to fend off any bad guys like bacteria. These cells are like the heroes of the story, fighting off invaders to keep you safe. Then comes the immune response, where these soldiers work overtime to clean up the mess. They remove any debris and start the process of rebuilding the damaged tissue. Finally, tissue repair kicks in, stitching everything back together. It's like a team of skilled craftsmen working to restore everything to its original state. It's a bit like having your own personal repair crew on standby 24/7. They're always ready to jump into action whenever you need them. Here's something cool. Did you know that laughter can actually boost your healing process? Yes, laughter is not just good for your mood, but it also has physical benefits. It releases endorphins, which are natural painkillers and helps reduce stress. Or that getting a good night's sleep helps your body repair itself faster? Yup, it's true. Sleep is when your body does most of its repair work, so getting enough rest is crucial for healing. So next time you're feeling down, maybe try watching a funny movie or hitting the hay a bit earlier. These simple actions can make a big difference in how quickly you recover. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced the magic of your body's healing powers firsthand? Have you ever had a miraculous healing experience? Maybe a time when you recovered faster than you expected? Or do you have any tips for quick recovery? Perhaps a special remedy or a routine that works wonders for you? Drop them in the comments below and let's get the conversation going. Sharing your experiences and tips can help others on their healing journey. Remember, supporting your body's healing isn't just about what happens after you get hurt, it's also about the preventive measures you take to stay healthy. It's about the choices you make every day. Eating nutritious foods, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle all contribute to your body's ability to heal. Eating right, staying active, and getting enough rest. These are all superhero moves in their own right. They help keep your body strong and ready to tackle any challenges that come your way. So there you have it, the magic within you. Your body is a powerhouse of healing, equipped with everything it needs to keep you healthy and strong. Your body is an incredible machine with an amazing ability to heal itself. It's a marvel of nature designed to protect and repair itself. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. By making healthy choices and listening to your body's needs, you can support its natural healing processes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and check out our next video on wellness. We have plenty of exciting content to help you on your journey to better health. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy. Remember, your body is amazing, and with the right care, it can do incredible things.